Hello everyone, this is Anjali Johan and I'm a first year PhD scholar. Today I just made this video to, tell something about the Indian education system. Why I came here to make this video? It's because, recently I was watching a video and it was of a NEET ranker video. He have, done his MBBS from AIMS and he qualified UG with some sort of all India rank. Also, he qualified his NEET PG with all India ranks in single digit, and after that he commits suicide. And I come to a conclusion from his story that it's not only his story. There are so many stories in India that is not registered anywhere. We do not know about those stories, but still there are so many stories of suicidal student suicide in India. And why in India the student suicide is raising day by day? Why is it so? And who is responsible for that? Either the parents are responsible for that, either the Indian education is responsible for that, either we ourselves are responsible for that. But I think we cannot conclude that one particular person is not responsible for that. It's like everyone is taking part in that. When one student is committing suicide, even the suicidal tendencies coming to any of the student, it's because of the pressure. First of all, it's because of the pressure of the competition, because in competition the only theory which really works is the survival of the fittest. If you are the fittest one, then only you are going to survive in that competition. It's the first and foremost thing if a student is committing suicide in India. Second thing is of parents, because somehow parents sometimes do not understand what their child wants and what they are giving to their child. They think that providing everything, providing good education, providing phone, providing materialistic thing, they think they just done their part. No, it's not like that. Especially all the parents, I do not know why they think that providing every materialistic thing is going to support your child's moral support. No, you have to morally support your child that yes beta, if you are getting a failure in your life, it's totally okay with that. Parents must tell their student, their child, that failure is the part of success. Failure is moreover important than being successful, because ये failure ही है जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा सिखाते हैं. आई डो नॉट नो कि सक्सेस आपको वो चीज़ गिव कर सकती है जो एक फेलियर आपको देता है. Failure makes you, failure breaks you, but ultimately failure rebuild you into the better version of yourself. So it's very important for the parents to tell their child that failure is part of your journey. You will face failure, and if you will not face failure, your success is going to be incomplete, because success is just a momentary change, but failure is the process which you have to understand. So on the part of parents, it's very important to give that moral assistance to your child. It's not only about financial assistance you give to your child. And the second and very important thing which I have seen in so many parents, and which is lacking in the Indian parenting, is that they always compare their child with someone other. Please let me tell you one thing. If God wants to make two different people the same one, why ही मेड द टू डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटी। अगर उन्हें दो बंदों को सेम बनाना होता तो वो दो बंदों को अलग बनाता ही। तो जब भगवान ने दो अलग अलग पर्सन बनाए हैं तो उनकी यूनिक आइडेंटिटीज हैं। तो डू नॉट कंपेयर योर चाइल्ड विद एनीवन। इट्स द पार्ट ऑफ पेरेंट्स। द थर्ड पार्ट is of Indian education system. Why Indian education system? I call it as a failure because Indian education system हमेशा से ही हमें एक पपेट बनाना चाहता है. Indian education system is more focused on just rote learning. We all know that we are in 2025. It's a time of AI, and it's not only 2025. Now, from 2025 onwards, it's the ending of 2025. It's 2026. This era, and from here onwards, everything is going to be digital. Everything, major portion works on creativity, and Indian education system lacks on creativity, lacks on digitalization. It just mainly focuses on learning things, learning facts, learning concepts, only learning things, rote learning thing. And it's not only learning, it's rote learning thing. Just learn it by heart, learn it by heart. It was the only line which Indian education system gave to us. It do not work on our personality development. It do not work on any other field, like creative field. Lacking. It's a lack of our Indian education system. Education does not mean to resist our growth. You know, it's very important to prioritize our time for one particular exam, but it is very important to manage all other aspects of our life. If in our early 20s we are more focused on one particular exam, I'm not saying कि ये गलत है, I'm not saying that, but taking something at the cost of taking everything aside is not a good thing. और अगर ये सब करके आप एट द एंड आप वो जीत भी जाओगे वो रेस, तो आप फिर भी जो काम आगे करने वाले हो उसमें भी आप हारने वाले, बिकॉज अगेन वहाँ पे भी आप एक ही रूटीन को फॉलो करने वाले हो, उसी चीज़ को करते जाओगे और वो मोनोटोनस हैबिट आपकी कभी नहीं छूटेगी. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट अगर बाकी फैक्टर्स काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, इफ़ वी आर नॉट हैविंग गुड पेरेंटिंग, इफ़ वी डू नॉट हैव अ गुड एजुकेशन सिस्टम, if any other thing is not serving for us, so we have to think about ourselves. We have to think that yes, our exam is important. You must work on that. Every day we have to work on our education such that we embrace it, such that हम अच्छा knowledge ले सकें और हम उसको practically use भी कर सकें. But it does not mean कि हम अपने बाकी areas को बिल्कुल छोड़ दें. Like हम अपने personality development पे काम नहीं करें. Like हम अपने creativity, अगर if any field of creativity you want and you are good at that, you must not leave that thing. आपको वो छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, ये चीज़ हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, बिकॉज इफ other factors or other parameters are not working in our favor, they are not serving to us, so हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हमारी लाइफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारे हाथ पे है. और हमें ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि वी आर नॉट केम हियर टू डाई फॉर वन पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम. हम सिर्फ मरने के लिए यहाँ नहीं आए. गॉड हैज सेंट अस फॉर अ सोलफुल पर्पस. And while you are in your early 20s, you have to understand that you have to introspect yourself that in which fields you are good. आप 25 चीज़ें करो, 36 चीज़ें करो, ताकि आपको पता चल सके कि वो 4 से 5 चीज़ें जिनमें मैं सबसे बेस्ट हूँ. हम कर सब कुछ सकते हैं, हम खेल भी सब कुछ सकते हैं, हम बोल भी सब कुछ सकते हैं. बट हमें अपने 4 ऐसे पोटेंशियल पैरामीटर्स पता होने चाहिए जिनमें हम सबसे बेहतरीन हैं. और वो तब पता चलेंगे जब आप 36 चीज़ें करेंगे. When you will do so many things, then you will come to a conclusion that you are best at these. You'll come with best things, that I am best at this. So it's truly and truly your responsibility, because you cannot change the external parameters. Only you can change is yourself. एंड चेंज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आवर सेल्फ. चेंजेस हमारे अंदर से ही शुरू होते हैं. ठीक है. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है. आई हैव रीड सो मेनी केस स्टडीज इन विच people do what they wanted to do. They are pursuing what they are, always wanted to pursue. But they are doing so many different things along with that. So it's all they manages. It's all about management. You have to do. और मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे लोगों को भी देखा है जो एक चीज़ में फेलियर हुए, दूसरी चीज़ में भी फेल हुए, तीसरी चीज़ में भी फेलियर हुए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आपको बस फेल होते ही जाना है, ऐसा नहीं है. ट्राई टू गिव योर हार्ड बेस्ट. बट कहीं पे अगर कुछ चीज़ नहीं हो रही है, तो आपको ये चीज़ बोल के भी लेट गो करना ज़रूरी है दैट यू मेड समथिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ. यू मेक अ प्लान फॉर योरसेल्फ, बट गॉड मेड डेस्टिनी फॉर यू. भगवान ने आपके लिए डेस्टिनी बनाई है, आप तो सिर्फ प्लान ही बना रहे हो. तो अपनी लाइफ को सिर्फ किसी एग्ज़ाम के लिए ख़त्म कर देना, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अ जुडिशियस डिसीजन फॉर योरसेल्फ. आप अपने ही साथ बुरा कर रहे हो. ठीक है, पेरेंट्स भी वही हैं, इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम भी वही है, और बाकी जितने भी फ्लॉज़ हैं, वो भी वही हैं. ओनली वन थिंग इज़ मिसिंग, दैट इज़ यू, एंड you have to understand this thing. So it's all about today's video. Thank you all of you.